Alright, so back here, removing the other two from the other side. So this is a really tedious, long process. But let's remember that the bottom screw here is going to be the longer one, and the one on the top here is going to be slightly shorter. So top, short, long bottom. Long bottom, like in Harry Potter. There was a long bottom, wasn't it? I think. Anyway, besides the point. Okay, so done. That part came off quite easily, but now there's still a whole bunch more, and I don't even know if it's worth taking it all off. I'm just going to do it for the purpose of this video. There's one here and one here. And I don't think I'll take the whole thing off. I'm just going to take one side so that we can see what the electronics look like, because it's so tedious. My goodness. I don't think the purpose of this is, or the manufacturers intended you to really take the body off. It's more like a just drive it until it breaks kind of vehicle. I don't think they intended you to want to remove parts and change parts and all that. Although usually Wltoys does sometimes come with spare parts, so I don't know. An odd choice indeed. Oh my goodness, there's an extra screw back there. Endless screws on this thing. So there's one more here. That's more screws than I can take. This one doesn't want to come off, and that's part of the problem here, guys. One of the things that I don't like about Phillips screws, this one does not want to come off. Let's see. Can I remove the other one on the other side? No, but then you see if I don't mess with that. Okay. This one fell off. And that's why I'm not going to do the other side. If I can get this off, I will not do the other side. And actually, no, I'm not going to do this, because it looks like if I do this too much, I may actually break the whole canopy, and then I won't be able to put it back on. But you can see that the components are in there. The receiver and all that stuff. It's not that complicated looking. It's not hobby grade for sure. That's just going to have to do, and I think it has one of the old receiver systems, like in the old cars with the, is that Mercury? No, not Mercury. I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, thanks for watching. That's as far as I'm going to go with the teardown on this. It's because I'm going to end up breaking the whole car instead of being able to show things. So, there we have it. Thanks for watching.